Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to Peacock Way. Today we'll be doing this mixed media project. I'm using this dilution spray, and then I'm going to spray some water on the top, and I'm using mixed media paper, and then I'm using a little more spray of different color, which is like a golden spray from Faber-Castell. So I'm going to spray water again on that. I just wanted to test it out and see mixing both the dilutions and the gold spray. But I didn't see a lot of difference in that. So I'm using the brush and spreading it out. Then I'm going to heat it and dry it. Then I'm going to use again this dilution spray and splatter it. Then I'm going to dry it. I'm using this twisted citron distress oxide, and I'm going to use this stencil. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. So I'm just putting the distress oxide ink on the outer layer of the paper. Then I'm going to dry everything. And I'm using this Tim Holtz uh, text stamp for the background. Then I'm using this dilution stamp. I'm using archival ink for the stamp. I'm just going to put little more here and there. Then I'm going to now dry everything. Then I'm using this grungy stamp. Then I'm going to put it on the other side of the page also. Then I'm going to wipe off all those ink from the stamp, and then I'm using this dotted stamp, and I'm going to put it on different areas. This is like a simple project. Then I'm going to use this die as a focal point. So I'm going to use the glue and I'm going to stick on the page. So I'm going to stick this also, and then I'm going to stick the coat and finish the project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. So if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. I will see you again in my next project. Thanks. Bye.